Hi friends, welcome to Varun Techie channel, a place for better learning. Today we will see data structures and algorithms day 3. Array data structure. An array is a collection of items stored at contiguous memory locations. The idea is to store multiple items of the same type together. This makes it easier to calculate the position of each element by simply adding an offset to a base value, the memory location of the first element of the array. See the diagram. You can see the array indexes. Array index start with 0 and it will continue. See the array elements 2, 4, 10, 5, 15, 3. Simple definition of an array. It is a collection of items of same data type stored at contiguous memory locations. You can see the diagram. It consists of the index starting with 0 and incrementing by 1, and we have the elements 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. Basic terminologies about array. Array index. In an array, elements are identified by their indexes. Array index starts from 0, as I said earlier. Array element. Elements are items stored in an array and can be accessed by their index. Array length. The length of an array is determined by the number of elements it contains. You can see the diagram. This is a 1D array. This is a 2D array. 3D array also exists, but we will see that later. Types of array operations. Traversal. Traverse through the elements of an array. Insertion. Inserting a new element in an array. Deletion. Deleting element from the array. Searching. Search for an element in the array. Sorting. Maintaining the order of elements in the array. Means either in ascending order or in descending order. Application of array. Arrays are used in the implementation of other data structures such as array lists, heap, hash tables, vectors, and matrices. Database records are usually implemented as arrays. It is used in lookup tables by the computer. Arrays are used for different sorting algorithms such as bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick sort. In the upcoming sessions, I will execute the programs given below. Searching in an array, write a program to reverse an array, complete a guide on array rotations, a DSA tutorial. Search, insert, and delete in an unsorted array. Search, insert, and delete in a sorted array. Sort an array, generate all subarrays. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session.